I am Mademoiselle Joquette Devereux. I hail from the colony of Saint-Domingue, if you wish to know. Saint-Domingue, beyond the island of Hispaniola. Tis the western half just here. Tis the French colony. Well, to have my shipmates tell it, I am a young man, 16 years of age, when I am about to enter my 20th year as a female. As I say, you need to be keeping that secret now. What is it? The 17th of June, year of our Lord, 1770. I am a member of the Poseidon's Wrath.
Okay.
It is captained by Richard Cunningham. But we sail all throughout these waters here. You must realize this is prime for trade. All trade comes through here, whether it be your gold and silver from the South American mines, tobacco, sugar, coffee beans, indigo from the islands here. And as you see, everything comes to these waters. That's why so many pirates frequent here. So many prize ships to take. Quite an exciting time it is, I tell you that.